Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming essentials, the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade and the Viatia electric razor for men. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price, shall we? The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade comes in at a cool $30. Not too shabby, but wait, what's that? The Viatia electric razor for men struts in with a price tag of $34. Not a huge difference, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Now let's talk about the shaving experience. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade claims to give you two blades that last up to 8 months. That's a lot of smoothness, my friends. Plus, it can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Talk about versatility. On the other side, we have the Viatia electric razor for men. This bad boy boasts 3D floating cutter heads, a double-track ultra-thin cutter net, and a self-sharpening steel blade design. It's like a precision tool for your face. And guess what? It's 360 degrees of beard removal, painlessly and cleaner, no nicks or cuts here, folks. Moving on to versatility, the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is all about that glide coating and rounded tips to protect your precious skin. It's like a gentle caress from a cloud. Plus, it can handle any length of hair, so whether you're rocking a full beard or just a little stubble, it's got you covered. Now let's talk about the Viatia electric razor for men. Not only does it give you a close and comfortable shave, but it also comes with two detachable heads. That's right, folks, it's a 2-in-1 deal. You get the electric razor for your main shaving needs, and a sideburns trimmer for those precise finishing touches. It's like having your own personal grooming squad. Last but not least, let's discuss convenience. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is lightweight and portable, perfect for throwing in your backpack or suitcase. It's a travel companion you can rely on, folks. And the Viatia electric razor for men? Oh boy, this one takes the cake. Not only is it ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, but it's also waterproof. That's right, you can use it in the shower without worrying about any mishaps. Plus, it has an LCD display to remind you of the battery status. No more mid-shave power outages, my friends. Both products have their own unique features and benefits, so it really comes down to personal preference. Well, folks, there you have it. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade and the Viatia electric razor for men battling it out in the grooming arena. Both products have their own unique features and benefits, so it really comes down to personal preference. Remember, always consider your needs and budget before making a decision. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart, where we'll continue to bring you the best product comparisons to help you buy smarter. Stay tuned for more epic showdowns. Until next time, happy grooming.